Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install Affinity by Canva on your Windows or Mac operating system. To explore more about Affinity by Canva, you can visit this website. I will also leave the link to this website in description below, and you can explore more what is Affinity by Canva. So you can check it here that it is actually free, and all its features, how it works and all other things. And in this video I am going to show you how you can download it and install. To do that, you can click here on Get Affinity, and here you can see that it is $0 and free. So you can click here on sign up to download. Once you click here, then you will see these options. You can log in with these options. You can choose the one that works for you. The easiest method is continue with Google, then it will redirect you to this page, affinity.studio/download, and here you will see two options. One is for Mac and another is for Windows. You can also click here on plus and then read more details of the system specifications and other things. I am not using Mac, so I will download it for Windows. So here you can see a button for Windows. You can click here on download for Windows and see the options. There are four options. You can choose the option that works for your system specifications. I am going to download MSIX 64-bit. Once you will click on it, the download will start. I have already downloaded it, so I am going to cancel it. But once the download is complete, then you can locate the directory where you have downloaded it. I have it on desktop, so I am going to open it. Once you double click on it, then it will start loading, and here you can see that it says install Affinity. You can click here on install, or you can also click here on I and check more details. I am not going to check this launch when ready, because it will launch it immediately. I will launch it manually, then click on install, and here you can see that it is saying getting the system ready for install. And here you can also see the directory where it will install it. So here you can see that once the installation is complete, it asks you to launch. Click on launch. Once you click on launch, then it will load the Affinity. Here you can see that it is initializing, loading fonts, and here you can see that it opened Affinity. So I have already tested it and logged in. Here I am missing one step, that is it will ask you to first log into your Canva account. So once it is loading, let me reopen it again. Here you can see when you will install it for the first time, then once this loading pop-up disappears, here another pop-up will appear that will ask you to log into your Canva account or the account you have signed up with it. So you can log in with the account that you used it for, and then it will open the Affinity. One thing more I want to mention in this video, that is if this version is not working for you and it is giving you an error. For example, you install Affinity using this file, and Affinity opens and automatically closes without giving an error, then download this version and install. It will work. So I already tested both of these. This version was not working for me, then I installed this, and here you can see that it is working for me. So in this video, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, as it helps me to grow and keeps me motivated. And I see you in the next video.